Hariom Pipe Industries Ltd, a steel pipes and tubes manufacturer. The market cap of the company is 1,432 crore rupees and currently trading at 496 rupees per share. The company has a 59% CAGR for 3-year sales growth and 80% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. The company was founded in the year 1962 and later incorporated in 2007. They got listed on NSE and BSE in 2022. They are based in Telangana with more than 500 employees. They have 3 manufacturing units located in Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. The company manufactures various steel and iron products like scaffolding, sponge iron, mild steel billets, hot rolled strips, mild steel pipes, and galvanized pipes. More than 75% of the capacity produces galvanized pipes, hot rolled strips, and mild steel billets. The total production capacity of the company is more than 5 lakh metric tons per annum. The products of the company are used in diverse industrial segments for various applications. The sales of the company for the last 4 years have been consistently growing. The profits of the company are also increasing from year to year. In January 2024, the company allotted more than 12 lakh shares on conversion of warrants. There is no significant drop in promoters' holding in the last 4 quarters. We can see a good portion of foreign investments in the company, which are increasing from quarter to quarter. As of now, there are no domestic investments in the company. Some clients of the company are Tata Projects, KCP Limited, Amara Raja Energy and Mobility Limited, SVS Projects, Sai Sudhir Infrastructures, RV Nirman, Navayuga, Agri Gold, Empower Infratech, and more. Coming to some key highlights. In 2023, the company was nominated for India 500 SME Award. In 2022, they acquired RP Metals Section Private Limited to extend their offering in galvanized pipe and cold roll coil. Company has more than 1500 point of sales and 650 distribution networks. Currently, the company does not export and 100% of the revenue is generated from the domestic market. They have a good client retention rate. More than 20% of clients are associated for more than 5 years. The credit rating of the company has been upgraded by Credit Rating Information Services of India Limited in fiscal year 2023. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.